everybody. Happy New Year. My name is Kathy Schatz, and I'm a fellow substitute teacher with you. Over the new year, I got to thinking about, as a former classroom teacher, what ideas could I share with you that might help you have an awesome spring semester. Because I'm sure, like me, lots of you have been in situations where you've arrived in the classroom and the teacher didn't have time to prepare plans for you, and you had to sort of wing it and come up with meaningful learning activities. Or you've arrived and there are glitches in the technology and you're not able to facilitate the plans that were left for you. Or you something extra comes up in the day that interrupts the plan, so you're not able to complete them in the time frame that was provided for you. Or students finish early, and then you have some students that are learners that are still trying to finish or trying to engage in the assignment in a productive, meaningful way, while others are long finished and it was easy for them. So this is an activity that is really useful for me, and I hope it will be useful for you too. It's called the Foursquare. I call it Foursquare Retell, but it could be used in lots of different ways besides just retelling. So the good news is it doesn't really take a lot of preparation at all or planning, because it just starts with a blank piece of paper, which we all have access to, and then that paper is divided into 4 sections. So I'll show you some of the really powerful ways that you can use this Foursquare technique. It can be used in any grade level from kindergarten up through high school, and then also any content area from language arts to mathematics, science, the second step social emotional curriculum. The sky's the limit. So I'm excited to show you my ideas.